Hello friends, day 41 and a very short day today, just 7.5 miles. Thankfully the horror movie projectile vomiting from yesterday did not return, although I still don't feel top notch, hence the short day. A 7.5 mile climb out of Malham, but what spectacular scenery, absolutely stunning. And I had the pleasure of sitting for a while with David and his son Harley and talking to them about the walk they're planning and practicing for, so that was great. And just generally a good, very slow day. See you on the trail. Every time I find a wonderful room with a view location, I think, well, I'm not going to better that, but just take a look at this. How stunning is that? Here I am taking a well-earned rest at the top of Malham Cove.